did you go to school?
Yeah.
Good job. Bravo. So I found these awesome chore boards, and it comes with two. It comes with the morning checklist, and it comes with the bedtime checklist. So you could create your own. Has 4 of these little boards, and you could write it in because it comes with a marker and an eraser. It also comes with 5 magnets for each of these boards. You could put them on the refrigerator or stick them on somewhere that's metal or magnetic. You put the big one in the middle, and you put the 4 small ones on the back. So that's where you put those. So create your own list, or you could write them in. This thing is really neat. It's really easy to put them in. All you do is take off this plastic here. You just pull it up. You slide in your list. You put this back in just to secure it in place. And once they're done with their chore, they could just check it off by sliding this over. So this is really nice. Highly recommend this if your kids have chores, or if you want to give your kids a little bit of more responsibility and stay on top of their task. Did you brush your teeth already?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's check that one off, please. Good job. Did you go to the potty?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get your backpack ready?
Mm-hmm.
Good job.